Well, hello and welcome to Stream Physics. This is the first part of our multi-part class on the stream restoration concepts and stream physics and all the different terms that we're going to cover. My name is Mark Seelinger. I'll be your host for this class and the lead instructor, and welcome you to the class. Before we get started, we thought we'd just go over a couple little things about what is this class going to cover, and this is overall. The purpose of this class is to introduce you to the stream classification concepts. There's a lot of terms, there's a lot of math, there's a lot of things that go on stream restoration, and so we need a place to start. And so some of you may have some familiarity with the terms, some of you may not, and that's why we're doing this at this level, because we want to be on the same page, because a lot of things like what does bankfull mean, things like that, we're going to get into that in this section. So we want to cover that overall, and we will be introducing you to this. Now, each week we will be covering a number of topics, starting with this kind of stream classification concepts. We'll get into some different effects on watersheds. We're going to cover a lot of the terms, and of course all the math that comes up to leading up to a stream classification using the Roskin system. So we've got a lot to cover, and it's going to be pretty intense. We've got a fair amount of tests, quizzes, assignments to keep you busy over the next 12 or so weeks. So with that, we will kind of roll into some of the specifics of this, but I wanted to kind of give you kind of an overview of what we're going to be covering.